आज हम सुनेंगे और अपने आप में रखेंगे सच्ची शांति का रहस्य। लिए कहानी शुरू करते हैं।
Welcome to Moral Storytellers, where every story brings a lesson and every lesson lights a path.
Let's talk about Unlock the Light Within, the sacred story of Prabarana Purnima. Over 2,500 years ago, during the time of Gautama Buddha, monks would enter a period of deep reflection known as the Vasa, or rainy retreat. For 3 months, they remained in their monasteries, meditating, seeking inner peace and enlightenment. Prabarana Purnima marks the end of this sacred retreat. It is a time for reflection, unity, and spiritual growth, as monks and devotees release their prayers and wishes into the sky, symbolized by glowing lanterns. Legend says that on this day, the Buddha descended from the heavens after preaching Dharma to his mother, Queen Maya, in the celestial realm. His teachings continue to light our path today. Today, Buddhists around the world celebrate Prabarana Purnima with joy and devotion. Lanterns float toward the sky, carrying our hopes and prayers for peace, wisdom, and compassion. As the full moon lights up the night, the lanterns remind us of the path toward enlightenment, guiding us toward inner peace and spiritual awakening. Wishing you peace, wisdom, and happiness on this sacred Prabarana Purnima. May your journey be filled with light and love. Prabarana Purnima, the light within us all.
Join us as we share timeless tales of wisdom, inspiration, and powerful life messages. There's always something to take away, whether it's hope, courage, or kindness. So all of my friends, please subscribe to us.